Ever feel like everyone around you is opting in for the same gadgets, same brands, same stuff? It's boring. But the right watch is still a way to say, this is me. I'm different.
We're unleashing the SOLOSCOPE Automatic, our most adventurous design to date.
Everything from antique instruments to obscure vintage watches have inspired us in our design.
The SOLOSCOPE Automatic gives you a break from constant charging and allows you to be the power source.
The SOLOSCOPE uses a single hand to tell the time. This one hand circles the hour while pointing to the minutes. We nicknamed it the Cuff Buster because it can bust out from under your shirt cuff for a quick glance at the time.
The SOLOSCOPE Automatic will feature premium leather by Horween, an American tannery that's been around for over a century.
You already share the same electronic gadgets with everyone you know, but a really cool mechanical watch is very likely going to be one of a kind in your circle of friends.
At XERIC, we're passionate about designing watches you've never seen before.
To bring the SOLOSCOPE to life, we need the thumbs up from individuals who take pride in standing out from the pack. We need you